one, the right skirt shape can do dash for your frame and as a dash your confidence. So let's see. Blank is here. I need to pay attention towards before and after, right? The right skirt shape. So they're saying basically depending on the cut of the skirt, whether it's a straight cut or whether it's flary or whether it's pencil shaped, whatever it is, if you have the right skirt shape, it can do something for your frame, obviously, for your figure. And as a dash, your confidence. So obviously when you wear the right clothes that fit and accentuate your figure, obviously you're going to look more confident. You're going to feel confident, right? So when you're best dressed, automatically your confidence improves. So the expression, can somebody quickly point out? The expression is can do wonders, right? That's the expression. So when you say this as an expression, can do wonders means it will have a very positive effect. Something that will make you feel good, right? It's always a benefit. Can do wonders. It's either a benefit or gives you a feel good factor or has a positive effect, right? The meaning of this expression, can do wonders. So since this is, marvels is not in the right form, the right skirt shape can be marvelous for your frame, right? In that context, if you change the form of marvel to an adjective form, then it makes sense. So let's look at what is right and what is wrong. Since some of you need explanation, let's look at it. So the right skirt shape, so when you're familiar with the expression, can do wonders for your frame, and as a consequence and as a result, and because of that, not only your figure, but also your confidence can do wonders also for your confidence. So that's what it means. So the answer actually is option 1, but let's look at the other options and option 2. The right skirt shape can do marvels. Like I said, it's incorrect form. And as a side unrelated word, you can rule out option 2, right? If it was marvelous, then the entire construction will change. The right skirt shape can be marvelous for your frame or can look marvelous on you, right? The entire construction has to change. Can be marvelous for your frame. It's not in the right form. We rule out option 2. Option 3. The right skirt shape can do good for your frame and as a process your confidence. No. Again, unrelated words. Option 3. Can not do good, can be good, right? Construction. The right skirt shape can be good for your frame. So please understand the meaning of the context first. This can do wonders is not only applicable for your frame, for your figure alone, but also for your confidence, right? So, and as a result and as a consequence, because of that, because of the right skirt shape, you not only accentuate your frame, but also improve your confidence. That's the meaning the context is. So, option 3 ruled out. The right skirt shape can do remarkably for your frame. Can do remarkably what? Incorrect, right? It's not in the right form. Again, it has to be can be remarkable, just like marvelous. The right skirt shape can be remarkable for your frame. And as a finish, again, not the most effective word here. Let's look at the last option. The right skirt shape can do superb. No. Again, superb is an adjective. It's describing the what sort of frame, right? So, can be superb, right? So, a couple of collocations that you can probably look up is be and do collocations, right? What words usually go with do, what words usually go with be. We have make and do collocations that have been explained in the 4 key concepts under vocabulary. Please understand, the sentence is not punctuated. Usually, the punctuation comes here after consequence. It totally depends on the context of the sentence. So the right skirt shape can be remarkable, can be marvelous, can be superb, not can do, right? The skirt shape is not really performing the action. These words are adjectives describing the frame. Yeah? Can we move forward? So the right option is, again, only option 1. The second blank in 5 is apt. However, the first blank is not. Let me give you another example so you understand. test or exam, right? Just giving you another example. The right technique will be beneficial for your practice and as a consequence, your test. So what's understood is, the implied meaning is, it's not only beneficial for your practice, but also for your test. So you don't necessarily have to write this here, it's understood. So these are called parallel structures. So you don't necessarily need the repetition of the preposition here. Likewise, if you see here, it says for your frame, and as a result, comma, your confidence. So it's understood that this is not only beneficial for this purpose, but also for the other purpose. So this is a parallel construction. So there are exceptions in the English language, right? This is one of the exceptions. Some of you may be familiar with the construction, some of you may not be. Yeah.